In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access display. Then scroll down again and click on easy mode. Now click on gray switcher next to easy mode to activate it and wait. As you can see, after that easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go back to the same settings and click on the no blue switcher next to easy mode feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!